Everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay, and today we're going to make a prosciutto and sage wrapped halibut. Now between you and me, halibut is not my favorite fish. It's very boring and it always needs some nice creamy sauce, but that kind of defeats the purpose, right? We're trying to be healthy. So this is kind of, we get a little fat, a little flavor. So let me show you, super simple. All we're gonna do is take a nice piece of prosciutto, super simple. Oopsie. I let this come to room temperature just a little bit, so it's not quite so sticky. Then, let's take a couple pieces of sage, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna run them right down the middle right here. It's my grill heating up. And then I'm gonna take a piece of halibut, it's about a ½ pound of halibut, put it right there in the middle, and then I'm just gonna wrap the prosciutto right around it, just stretch it a little bit and pat it. I'll give it a teeny weeny bit of salt because prosciutto is salty, as we know. Teeny weeny bit of pepper. Let's press that in. We'll flip them over. Do the same to the other side. Okay, and that prosciutto is going to stick nicely all by itself. Let's do a second one. I am gonna go ahead and do this with a little bit of a compound butter, just to jazz it up a smidge. It doesn't really need it, but we will. You could also do the same thing to chicken breasts. It would work perfectly. I know, I really can't do halibut all by itself. It needs to have some zhuzhing going on. So, and the sage is nice and strong. It really does come through. That little bit of sage. Okay. The prosciutto will stick to itself. Now I'm gonna put this on kind of a medium heat grill. I have made sure my halibut is, I wouldn't call it room temperature, but I would say it's not ice cold because it is fairly thick and you wanna make sure that you cook it all the way through. Okay, pat this guy together. Okay, now we're gonna go pop it on our grill. Okay, let's put this on the grill. So I've heated it to medium high. Ooh, it is toasty today here in San Diego. I'm gonna be bad and go ahead and spray it while the flame's on. So now I think our best plan is I'm gonna do the sage side down. Just make sure your grill is super clean, okay? Because it will release when it's ready to release. I would say we're gonna be about maybe 4 minutes per side. Okay, it's been 4.5 minutes or so. Let's see if they're ready to flip. If it's ready to go, it will flip easily, okay? So let's check it out. So, be very gentle with him. Look how it released. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. Whoop, whoop. There we go. Oh, it's hot. Okay, we're gonna give him probably another 3 minutes on this side. Then we'll come back and check it. Okay, everybody, it's been, let's see, we did 5 minutes on the front side and about 3.5 minutes on the second side. And it should be ready to come off the grill right now. Okay. Oh, look how pretty that turned out. You can see even the cute little sage leaves under there. Isn't that cool? See, it's ready to go. So it released itself right from the grill. Whoop, there we go. Oh, looks fabulous. It smells wonderful. So let me show you how we're gonna plate it. Okie doke, let me show you how we're gonna do it. I've got a pretty little board. Some herbs that we used in it to accentuate that. I think we're just gonna go ahead and do this. Look at how gorgeous that is. Oh my goodness. And then, just in case you need a little extra help, and you do want some sort of a sauce, I've made a very basic compound butter that we're just gonna melt over the top just to give it a little extra moisture because we do know how dry halibut can be. It's just salt and pepper and some fresh lemon zest. It just jazzes it up just a little bit. Now look at that. Is that gorgeous or what? It's easy breezy.